In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a personalized video in Lemlist. So first in the left panel, head over to campaigns, then open up the campaign, and in the sequence tab, go to the email step where you want to add the personalized video. Then next, in a new tab, head over to sendspark.com and of course log into your account. So here, upload the personalized video you would like to add in Lemlist. Then next is hover your mouse on it and click on the share button. And here you can see an option that says share with personalization. So here all you have to do is look for Lemlist, but if you don't see it yet, click on edit or add. And here, look for Lemlist from the list and click on it. Now you can go back to the first window. And from there, you can just click on Lemlist and it will automatically be copied. Or you can also head over to Embed tab and here click on Copy Code Snippet under Email Platforms. And now here, going back to Lemlist in the content section, you can just directly paste it here in this text box. And as you can see, it will be automatically added to your email content. Now the only thing left for you to do is make some adjustments so you can resize the video and add more content to your email. And now, when recipients click on it, they'll be taken to watch your video. So just make sure to place the video naturally within your message, ideally with a short intro to encourage clicks. And once done, make sure that you click on the next steps and launch your campaign. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!